We are on day 6 of the DreamLife Gratitude Challenge, which is a challenge where every day I present to you a different topic of something that I am grateful for. And if you would like to join me, simply hashtag DreamLife Gratitude Challenge. And on the last day, the 7th day, which is also tomorrow, which is also Thanksgiving, I will choose someone and offer them a free ticket to my upcoming vision board workshop happening in Houston, Texas on December 5th at Hotel Indigo from noon until 4 p.m. So, today's topic of what I am so grateful for is my family and my friends. Especially during this time of year, it can be a lonely time for many people, and I am no exception. I live away from much of my family, and so many of my friends have become my family. So, especially amidst COVID and the physical separation, I cherish Zoom calls, I cherish phone calls from those people who I love. It's a time of year where I can reflect not only on my journey, but also on my loved one's journey and how we have journeyed together through the ups, through the downs, and through life. And to be able to celebrate life with those who I love is truly a blessing and something that I am so grateful for. So, I hope that everyone is able to celebrate this holiday in some way that makes you feel good, whether it's with friends, whether it's with family, or whether it's with yourself, just doing something that you enjoy and celebrating the life that you have. I look forward to speaking with you all tomorrow for the final 7th day and also on Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for listening and have a good night.